What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we did a Type R video, and I'll update you on our Type R in this video. In front of you guys is a brand new anticipating part. This is the window visors for the FL5 Type R. We've done a lot of visors for the VAs, the VBs, the FK8, and now finally the FL5. These are really high quality, coated, no fading, no turning purple. If you know, there's a lot of cheap visors on the market. After like 6 months in the sun, will turn straight up purple. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to put these on. We're gonna put it on our homie's car right there, and also Michael's car is coming in a little bit later. These are direct stick on. Clean the windows first with alcohol wipes, which we already did, and then you're gonna peel the tape, apply the adhesive promoter on the window itself, on the trim, and then stick it on. So I'm gonna show you guys the logo too. Look at that. Usually it's white, but because it's FL5, you know, we just put some red, you know, just because it's red. You can get a little matching. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put this on today. It's gonna be a very quick, easy video today, and then I'll show you guys the diffuser too when Michael gets here. So let's get started, guys. I already cleaned it already, so all I gotta do is get the adhesive promoter, which will come like this in a jar or paper. I don't know which one the factory will give you guys, but here is a pre-test fit. A couple of benefits having a visor. When it's raining, you can crack the window so water don't get in, and then if you like to vape, it's actually really good too. You can air out without opening the whole window. So one wipe here, so this will help the 3M tape stick on. So make sure you don't peel the whole tape off, or else once it sticks on, you kind of peel a little bit. Okay, follow the curve of the window. It's actually one of the first few mods we should have done a long time ago. Alright guys, we're done with the front driver side. As you can see, the bulge, again, very OEM plus. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move to the back. Alright guys, we just finished installation. Pretty simple. You literally don't need any help. Just make sure when you do line it up, make sure you're in the right spot and then apply it down. Let me just show you guys what it looks like on the inside. You can see just literally when it rains, you just like crack the window and no water getting in. It clears perfectly. So if you want to, you know, do a little it's right outside, and then you don't need to put the window all the way down, but you can also as well. So this is what it looks like with the windows down. You can go on the outside and see what it looks like from the outside. So this is what it looks like with the windows down. Super OEM plus. Again, I love the little touch on the red AFD logo just to match the brakes and the seats. But that's it for this one, guys. We're gonna wait until Michael comes, and then we'll see you in 20 minutes. Alright guys, we have Michael's car here. He has the OEM visors. He's gonna upgrade. How much are these, Michael? $220. So ours are going for $179. A little bit difference in price. Again, same way to apply. Really good, yeah, because the car's hot. It's actually really good. I didn't even think about that. We just took off his OEM. It's gonna upgrade to the AFD one. Major difference, ours has a different smoke tint to it, more JDM look, and then the logo, of course. Yeah, let's just see how it looks on Michael's car. His hugs super easy, guys. Just literally 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, 30 seconds. We are done with the visor install. Michael's actually here for a diffuser test fit, so I'll just show you guys a sneak peek anyway since we're here. But that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to see Michael's car in the next, where are you going, Michael? If you want to see Michael in the next video, we're gonna be tuning his car. And also our Type R is sold to one of our friends in NorCal, so you'll see that car maybe in a couple of weeks. He might be coming down here, so we'll link up on that. But let me show you guys the diffuser real quick. It's 3D printed, the factory diffuser. You get the aggressive lines here, and then it clips on the bottom using OEM clip, and then double-sided tape on the top. And then the other side, it is a one piece, but we'll just cut it just for the 3D scanning purposes. But as you can see, it looks hella aggressive, so let it sit by itself. That's coming soon, guys, in the near future. But that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you guys in the next Type R video. Peace.